In today's video I'll show you how to remove watermarks from your videos generated using Google Gemini. First, I'm playing back the original 10-second cat video in Gemini to preview the result. You can see the video looks great, but it features a visible watermark embedded by the platform. I'll hit the download button at the top right of the video frame to save this raw file onto my computer. A small pop-up shows the download status, and then I'll click on the downloaded MP4 file to open it in Media Player. As it plays through, the watermark is continuously present. I'll pause and close the Media Player to start the removal process. Next, I'll open a new tab and navigate to the Chrome Web Store to look for an extension called Eracio, Gemini Omni Watermark Remover. This handy tool is designed specifically for removing Gemini watermarks quickly. I'll click the Add to Chrome button on the right side of the screen, which brings up a confirmation prompt. From there, I'll select Add Extension to proceed with the installation. Once the installation finishes, a new Guide tab automatically opens explaining how to use the tool. I'll click on the extension's puzzle piece icon in the browser's top toolbar, find Eracio, and pin it for quick access. After pinning, I'll jump back to my original Google Gemini tab and click the new Eracio extension icon to launch its interface. A clean, dedicated pop-up panel appears with an introductory screen, so I'll click Get Started to move to the main dashboard. This workspace provides options to drag and drop or select images and videos. To ensure everything runs smoothly, I'll refresh the entire Gemini page. I'll open the sidebar on the left and select the previous chat history where my cat video was generated. Once the chat reloads, I'll hover over the video and click the download button again. This time, because the active extension is running, it triggers a green notification at the top confirming the watermark is being removed. The Eracio processing window shows a dynamic progress bar tracking the removal stage frame by frame. Once it hits 100%, the file successfully downloads. I'll click on the newly processed video file in the Downloads panel. It opens up cleanly inside the Media Player. As the video plays, you can see that the watermark has been completely removed while preserving the original video quality. I'll loop it one more time to verify the clean output across all frames. And that's it, that's how you remove watermarks from Gemini videos.